My name is Jonathan Leathley. I'm the operations manager for Gullco International. We provide welding solutions and automation solutions for industries like shipbuilding, pipelines, small shops, tractor trailers. We've been using Epicor for about 9 years now, and we've recently switched over to using Kinetic. Our head office is in Newmarket. We have a United States branch, we have a UK branch, we have an India branch, which was set up. We also have a branch in Australia. And the ability for us at head office to be able to access their database and check their inventory levels if we're missing something, to just help each other succeed, help each other deliver products on time to customers. So that's been a huge benefit for us. And just streamlining the entire process flow. Everything looks the same, you're not going back and forth with tons and tons of emails. Everybody's familiar and utilizing the same system. So there's something to be said for consistency and familiarity. Epicor has helped us streamline our internal processes, quoting and order entry procedures. Myself personally, I work in the operations and manufacturing side of things, but I also spent 3 years working in sales, and I've seen the issues and the problems that can arise, and utilizing Epicor has helped us to really tighten up and streamline that entire process. Some of the criteria that we use to select Epicor and Success, obviously pricing is a major concern for a lot of people. They fit right within our budgetary requirements. Success is their training and their guidance and their implementation, always having somebody accessible to us, always being available to answer questions. People get so accustomed to doing things a specific way, and Epicor and Success really helped guide our staff members, some of our veteran staff members. We rolled out when we wanted to, we switched over, we were able to carry the bulk of our data from our old database into Epicor, which was a bit challenging. I don't know that we necessarily could have done that without Success. And in this data-driven world, I think it is extremely important that you get your data into the system. What I like best about Success is they have a very sophisticated yet casual approach. They're easy to talk to. I would say they humanize the process. They can appreciate, and a lot of them have experience in the issues that a lot of companies face. And sometimes it can feel very much like you're standing on an island because you don't get that view of what other companies are experiencing, the issues that they're going through. And Success really helped to, I think, guide us through that, reassure us that, we will get to these goals, we will meet these goals. As far as budget is concerned, Success helped us manage our internal budgets. They kept us on track. The way that things are broken down allowed us to not have to put up all of the money in one go. And they assisted us in getting government funding, government grants, things like that on our original implementation. With Success, they will come in and they will do an in-depth review of your processes, and they will give you tips, give you tricks. The consulting aspect of that allowed us to, sit there in a conference room and click one button that changed a lot for us. I would recommend Epicor and Success to any company that wishes to refine their processes, their structures,